Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's been a busy week, lots of events here and there. Today I'm gonna unbox. Today I'm going to unbox this. It's a Tamron 28-75 f2.8 Di3 VXT G2 Sony E-mount. I sold my Canon EOS R6 a couple days ago, and this is the other body, the Sony A7 IV. The one that I'm filming on right now is the 16-28 Sigma 2.8. The full review is coming soon, so wait for that. This is an amazing lens. Oh, I actually have another lens, which is this one I recently purchased, and a full review is also coming out. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so this is what's in the box. This is the box typically, so if you're buying this is what you will get. I don't have any knife. Maybe I do. I found a screwdriver, so I want to make sure that I don't break the box. There you go. First Tamron lens that I will be handling. I mean, I've used the first version of the 2870 Tamron. And out of the box is just the warranty and everything, paperwork. No pouch, no lens pouch. It's just the lens. That's off, nice packaging there. Really good packaging. That's pretty much it. This is what you get with the Tamron 2875 G2. Ready? Wow, it's very light. First impression, really light. This is the Tamron 28-75 2.8 G2. This one is the G Master 24-7T, the first version of G Master. So this is the size comparison between the two. Weight, this is definitely a lot heavier than this Tamron. And this is stabilized, you guys. I like that. The zoom ring is definitely just one go, so I won't be needing the hood because I'm not using this for a video. So it's just your 28, one pivot, you're already at 75, whereas this, the G Master, you're on 24, then you have to do that like 3 pivot before you reach the 70, which is kind of annoying, but I get used to it, so that's fine for me. But if you are looking to buy this, there's a lot of review out there with this lens. It's just plain amazing. It's sharp, really is. It's stabilized, and it's super light, budget friendly as well. And the glass is all right there, you guys. So this is 28mm at f2.8. Now I'm going to switch with this lens, and then let's see if you see any difference at all, which you won't, because, you know. Alright, let's switch it. Okay, so this is the Tamron 28-75 G2. And really there's not much of a difference. I'm not looking to compare the focal length or anything, because this is a wide lens, 16-28. It serves a different purpose, and mostly I'm going to be comparing this lens to this, the 24-7T G Master. So photos and videos, this one's going to outshine, or it's going to beat the 24-70 G Master, because this one is stabilized, this one is not. You can always, or I can always compensate that in the lens IBIS. Sony A7 IV, right? Okay, you guys, this is 75 all the way to 28. So that's, I have to step back a bit. That's the 28 to 75. First impression, it's really nice, very light, and you can handle it in the gimbal. My gimbal is the RC2. When I put this 2470 G Master in the gimbal, the battery of the gimbal drains faster than it should be because this one is heavy, the body is heavy, and then when I zoom it into 70, you know, the barrel gets longer, even though I balance it on the 35 mil or 50 mil or whatever, it just drains the gimbal battery really fast. Alright, let me take it off. Not really too close. Alright, that's the first impression of this Tamron 28 to 70. Looking forward to use this lens, especially in photos, and comparison between the two when it comes to photo and video. Absolutely. And the sharpness as well. So, and that's been it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. See you again next time.